We're doing a full pet treatment in here. BLM, guys. So I'm doing BLM because as you know, my truck mounts down. But luckily, I have the perfect chemistry for BLM or hot water extraction. And I'm not into no tribal stuff, so don't go comment some weird stuff down below. All right, yep. But pet treatment smells already great already. So we're just agitating everything in. Already pre-sprayed. Whenever I do it all over pet treatment, make sure to spread it nice and good into those fibers, so that chemistry can get rid of the stains and the odor, and not just some topical kind of stuff. All right, so we're gonna go over it with microfiber first, and then we're gonna follow it up with the white pad, cotton pad, and we should be good. So we're doing 3 houses on this property, all pretty much the same. Just the only one we had to do a pet treatment on. And then the main house, all the carpet and hardwood floors downstairs. I'm not gonna show a lot of that stuff, guys, but yeah, fun stuff. I think it's fun. What about you guys? Let me know below. All right, now for the white pad. Use the drill brush with the pad adapter. Upstairs. Because we are doing a pet treatment, that's the reason why I'm making sure I do 2 pads. Moistening the both pads. If you wet your pads, I mean, you get moist, it's like a magnet. Cleans better. Alright guys, so we're doing carpets in 3 houses on this property. It's a ranch property. And we just did the hardwood floor, so clean and buff. So, looks great, doesn't it?
$15 acres. Can you imagine
Who said California isn't country? Come on. Wild West.